first. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living born.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we finally caught a pair of sneakers that we always wanted to add to the collection. We got this New Balance 550 Aime and Dore collab. And we're very excited to add this sneaker to the collection because it has that vintage, timeless look, and it's gonna add more versatility to our collection. So we're very excited.
This is kind of weird because this is very hyped for the people who know about it, but it's certainly not as hyped as something like a Travis Scott collab. But it's certainly gonna add a very versatile look to your collection if you're into that vintage aesthetic. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video because we're gonna show you guys how we style these on feet.
Now the sneaker comes in this green, yellow, and white box with the New Balance and Aime and Dore branding on the top of the box, and it has the silhouette of the sneaker on the sides of the box. We decided to go with a size 9 because we think it's gonna fit more true to size. And let's just jump right ahead and get the sneaker out of the box. The sneaker comes with 2 extra pair of laces, this taupe color one and this cream one. We might go ahead and swap out this sail laces that are already on the sneaker for this cream color one. I like how it gives you that option to try how different looks on the sneaker.
Now as we take a look at the sneaker up close, you will notice that the sneaker is made of this sail full grain leather, which really complements the little green accents that they decide to add on the sneaker. It has this New Balance logo, which is in this beige color, and it really complements the whole raw aesthetic of the sneaker.
The New Balance 550 has been gaining popularity ever since they collaborated with Aime and Dore last year, but we completely slept on this sneaker because at the time we were focused on other sneakers, and this was one of those low-key collaborations that not a lot of people knew about.
We also kind of regretted it because a lot of sick colorways came out back when the original drop came out, and it was very vintage and nostalgic. But right now the prices are insane. A lot of people can't get their hands on it, so we were waiting for a restock or another drop of the 550 model. And I think this drop alongside an Olympic colorway, which is more attainable. This one's price is a little bit crazy on the resale market, so I wouldn't recommend going ahead and picking up this pair. That one would be more attainable, and it's a dope colorway as well.
And this particular sneaker reminds me of the Virgil and Louis Vuitton collaboration on the LV trainers. It has the same kind of color palette and the same kind of silhouette. So I don't know if that was intentionally, but I think this sneaker is a perfect low top sneaker to wear, especially in this time of the year where it's warmer. You can wear it with a lot of outfits.
Now in the past, we've completely neglected New Balance. We focused more on Adidas and Nike sneakers. We were looking for like a perfect New Balance silhouette to try out, and this is a perfect introduction to the New Balance sneakers because it's gonna add that vintage, timeless look. And if you're looking for like a classic sneaker to just try out with any outfit, it's definitely gonna fit into that. So
now when it comes to sizing, we're kind of skeptical about going true to size with this sneaker, and we didn't really know how New Balance fit on foot. But we took a chance and went true to size, and it actually came out really good and it fit very perfectly. This full grain leather kind of plays into the comfort of the sneaker. It kind of makes the sneaker a little bit stiff, but the more you wear the sneaker and break it in, the better the sneaker looks and the more comfortable the sneaker gets.
Since the sneaker already has that vintage aesthetic going on, we're just gonna keep that when it comes to styling and experiment with different pieces like flared denim. And for the tops, we could like experiment with sweaters, hoodies, and the colors we could throw in like maroon, different colors to really offset the green that's already on the sneaker.
So we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. This is definitely a dope sneaker to add to the collection, and we're loving it so far. And we're certainly gonna try to pick up that Olympic colorway that released alongside with this one because we want to have more of these 550s in our collection to add more versatility. So before we show you guys how the sneaker looks on feet, please guys go ahead and leave a like on this video right now because it really helps the channel. And please guys subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we drop a new video.
And if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, make sure you go ahead and drop down in the comments and tell us which outfit you liked in the on feet. And until then guys,
we'll see you guys in our next video.